It might be dark and gloomy out there in the garden at the moment, but there really are so many things that tempt you out to get on with those gardening jobs that need doing. Things like this Mahonia, which is in full flower at the moment and scenting the air with its beautiful yellow flowers. And there are lots of other winter flowering plants too. Things like the winter flowering box, the winter flowering honeysuckle, and the glorious pink flowered and richly sweetly scented viburnums. But really, you need to get out into the garden now and get on top of all those jobs that need doing before the cold weather comes. And next weekend looks like that cold weather is going to come back with a vengeance. During this week we're going to get some showery rain, not really incessant periods of rain, but showery rain, some of which will be wintry at times. But by next weekend the frost will make a return and the winter will come back with a vengeance, particularly so in the north. So as far as the jobs go, I'm going to be taking off the lower leaves on my palm trees, any that have been weighted down by rain or snow or broken in the wind. I'll prune those right back to the main trunk to really tidy the plants up, and then all the main growth can come from the centre of the plant. I'll also be healing in any bare root plants that I've bought, things like cornus and willow, or any bare root fruit and trees that I've bought. As soon as they arrive through the post, dig a trench, heal them in at a slight angle, return the soil to cover the roots and heal them in position. And the last job that I'm getting on with is something I really should have done back in the autumn, and that's plant the last few bags of tulips that I've got knocking around at the back of the shed. I'm going to pot them up into this lovely flower pot, put them on the patio so that I've got a big pot full of beautiful flowers come the spring. Meanwhile, for more ideas of what to do in your garden over the coming week, plus plant of the week, which this week is a real cracker, go to my website davidhurrian.com.